This was shot on Armistice Day, but due to some technical reasons I could not upload this video. But since I had put on a lot of efforts in this vlog, let me present it to you.
Hey, what's up guys, this is Frank Sings and welcome to another video. In fact, this is a month wherein trees are just shedding their leaves. They are adding so much of beauty around, you know. If you just walk around, you will not just see the dried trees, but the leaves that they have shed, they are just all over the ground. And this is a perfect time to, you know, to cover good forages. So this is the reason I've come here.
So all I'm trying to do is just to enjoy the beauty, the surrounding of this trees, these golden leaves which have been shed by these age-old trees, and just to please Vanessa in this golden scene and capture this moment, just trying my stance with this mirrorless camera, you know. I don't know how the pictures are turned out, but I feel like I'm like a pro. Let me show you these pictures. Famous Lydiard house. It's an ancestral home of St. John family, which was remodeled by second Viscount, and then it was bought by the Swindon Borough Council and just restored it because this was completely in ruins. My hands are itching and I want to capture this castle in my brand new Mavic. Yes, I'm gonna fly this drone for the very first time. Wish me luck, guys. One step at a time. Guys, that was my first time flying the drone and I have not crashed it, but could safely fly with the drone. Not bad, huh? And this is the second attraction here. People, you know, just pour in here every day just to feed this ducks in this beautiful lake.
duck is coming.
It's actually me who's feeding them.
I'm just waiting. I want them to pick it from my hand. Come on, ducky, 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 ducky. Please take one. Make me happy. There you go. So normally this lake is always flooded with people, local people from here. If we had to remember about this duck, so here we would have definitely got something, but I think Vanessa has got, oh, she's got chips and she's feeding them chips. I don't know whether it is illegal or if the authority sees that, whether they will allow. Because, is that healthy? Are those chips healthy for them?
A little bit of junk food is okay, yeah.
A little bit of junk food is okay. Alright, because there she goes.
They love it. You see this? The speciality, the beauty of this tree is it is 170 years old. I've been here many times, never realized the importance of the nature and the way authorities have preserved.
Hats off to them.
Lost with the nature, so much of privacy. Isn't it beautiful, Vanessa?
It is beautiful.
I was expecting her to say something.
Now the third important thing that I wanted to explore is the ice house.
I think it's maybe 3 or 4 times I've been to this place.
but never realized what this could be. This was an ice house, which in the 18th century, as per the description that is given, this was used to store ice. People would gather ice from close by lakes. They would stack it with straw and salt, and that ice would leave even for 2 years. They would use it for their recipes like desserts and stuff like that. They would never use that ice to have it as ice cubes in their drinks, because that was, after all, dirty water from the lake. But now, though it is preserved, though they have put this barrier sort of, but it's in ruins, you can see.
I really wonder how cold this country must have been in the 18th century to store ice in this type of ice houses. It's really amazing, isn't it?
I'm just trying to guess what exactly was there. It's like, this is a solid wooden door. I thought like there's nothing else because it's completely dark, and there's a small a box, sort of, maybe electric box. But there is a chamber inside, and I think it is gone underground or something like that. But otherwise, I can't tell you much because it's been locked.
I'm entering into the walled garden in Lydiard Park. This looks like a cemetery, but the reason behind putting these crosses, and especially the small crosses, is because it is in the remembrance of the soldiers who sacrificed their life. And all the small crosses with poppy on it represent the soldiers who sacrificed their lives. And how can I go without visiting this beautiful church? So this will be the last thing on this vlog to explore. Let's go get on with it.
Not with many structures or buildings or landmarks, but getting lost with the nature and the beauty of this place. I would like to end this vlog by saying peace, and I'll see you in the next vlog.
And if you like this video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and please hit that like button. Also, please don't forget to comment in the comment section below.